Welcome to JH. Let's talk about the Infosys McCamish class action settlement, because apparently, keeping 6 million people's data safe was just too much to ask. Back in late 2023, a ransomware attack hit their systems, exposing everything from social security numbers and driver's licenses to financial info and medical records. Because nothing says premium service like having your private life auctioned off on the dark web like a used lawnmower. Now, Infosys McCamish isn't admitting they actually did anything wrong. Perish the thought. But they have conveniently agreed to a $17.5 million settlement just to make the whole oopsie go away without a court battle. If your personal information was part of that October or November 2023 breach, congratulations, you've officially hit the data leak lottery. Even if you never received a notice letter in the mail, you might still be eligible for some of that sweet compensation. You can claim up to $6,000 if you can prove you actually lost money due to the breach, or you can settle for 2 years of free credit monitoring and a cash payment of roughly $30. Honestly, $30 for your entire identity is quite the bargain for the hackers, but at least it might cover a decent lunch while you spend the afternoon changing all your passwords. If you don't have documented proof of financial loss, you can still get that credit monitoring plus a maximum payout capped at $599. Filing a claim is actually pretty easy. Just head to the official settlement website and use your notice ID or claim number to file online. If you still enjoy the nostalgic feel of stamps and envelopes, you can even mail in a paper form instead. This settlement is the real deal, with a final approval hearing scheduled for December 18, 2025. If the court signs off, you can expect those payments to start hitting accounts in early 2026. Thanks for watching until the end. Hit that subscribe button for more updates on settlements and corporate mishaps.